get ready to elevate your brand identity. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a captivating mascot logo for your business using the magic of AI. First, type Bing Image Creator into your search engine. If you have logged in account, it will show this type of interface. Then type this prompt and it will generate your logo in seconds. It has typos, but you can fix this issue by recreating. If you want a depth logo for your channel, type this prompt. And you can fix the typos by recreating. If you are a blogger and want an awesome logo for your YouTube channel, type this prompt to create your logo. You can choose your favorite design and also recreate it. If you want a mascot logo for your clothing brand, type this prompt. If you found value in this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips, tricks, and tutorials.